You're welcome in your maths and I got a new problem. Today we will prove the formula of mode. So stay watching as it is very simple. So let's take this table as example. Now what exactly the mode is? So mode is the most repetitive xi or terms or observation. But here xi is the average term. So mode exactly lie in between this. So let's take an example. So here the mode is 2 as it has maximum frequency. So here maximum frequency is this. So this one is the model data and ci is called model class. Now exactly mode lie in between this ci or model class, but this is not the exact number, this is the interval. So how can you predict the exact mode? So we can predict the exact mode by the adjacent frequencies of the model class. But remember, we can't calculate the exact mode. So for that we make it dependent by the help of adjacent frequencies. So let's plot ci here and fi here. So let's start plotting it. So the range of ci is 10, 20, 30, 40 and frequency is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 till 10. And now as you can see, the ci, that is class interval from 10 to 20, has frequency 3. So we plot it to the frequency 3. Now we plot all the ci like that. Now model class frequency is f1 and its backward is f0 and forward is f2. So the frequency of backward class is f0 and the model class is f1 and the forward class is f2. Now we know that mode depends on the adjacent frequency. So I will join like this, and whatever this length from here to here, so this length from origin, that is 20 plus x something, so this will be the mode. Now this length x is this x. Now look at these triangles and see that this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle and vertically opposite angle. So these two triangles are similar. Now this length is f1 minus f0, and in this triangle this length is f1 minus f2. So this is f1 minus f2. Now see that this length is what? This is h class size. So this is h minus x, as this length is x from here to here. Now apply rule of similarity. So opposite of this angle is f1 minus f0 and opposite of this angle is f1 minus f2. Now is equal to the height of this smaller triangle, that is x. So x by the height of this one is h minus x. Now reciprocate. So f1 minus f2 upon f1 minus f0 is equal to h minus x by x. Now solve this term. So it will be h by x minus 1. Now send 1 in the LHS and solve it. At last we get the value of x is equal to f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So this is the value of x, but we have to know the mode. So this mode is from origin, so this length we have to find. So 20 plus x basically. So 20 is what? It's the lower limit of model class. So if we add l, so it becomes mode value. So this is what we have to prove. Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.